Featuring our new in-tank arm for the G8X AFS 800. This will now be included in every kit going forward. No longer is it going to be mounted to the top hat and you have to fight the top hat. It now simply folds up to fit inside the tank. To prep it, first put your filter socks on. And leave the connectors unattached. You will, however, need to go ahead and remove the inserts. In the tank, to start off, you're going to start with it folded. You're going to insert, open up the arm partially. Once it's in the tank, now you have to make your connections. With your Y connections made, our goal is to get this arm into this hole. Make sure the screw is unscrewed, and once it's all the way down, simply tighten the screw. Now, you can install your factory bucket that you've already modified with the lines. Lock it in position. Being a demo, I'm not going to install everything, but you'll make your float connections. Now we can just make our connections. Main pump, aux pump.